Hello traders, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex the Major. So this strategy is killing the market. You guys know I got the best strategies out here when it comes to boom and crash. I'm the major of boom and crash. Yeah, you should know that by now. I'm the major of boom and crash. So crash 1000. I want to show you guys how to use this strategy to catch spikes on crash 1000. So this strategy is for boom and crash, to catch spikes on boom and crash. Though I'm still working on the scalping aspect to see how the accuracy, the winning rates for scalping, if we can make good money with this strategy, scalping the boom and crash markets. Okay, so yeah, this strategy is very simple and very profitable, right? Yeah, I'll show you guys how to use this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. You just have two indicators, and these indicators are actually one tells you the if we are in an uptrend or a downtrend, and the other one tells when price gets to your points of interest where you should buy or sell, depending on the asset you're trading on. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys this how to use the strategy and the settings for this strategy. Okay, so if you're new on our channel, please smash that like button, subscribe, and show some love by commenting good comments and share this video. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel by checking the notification box and join the free Telegram channel. Chat me up directly for any of my services. I provide signals, mentorship, accounts management. And please, there's nothing like investment. You can't send, I don't ask, I will never ask you to send money to me for me to invest and maybe triple the money in 1 day or 2 days and send it back to you. There's nothing like that. I don't do that. So don't allow anybody to deceive you. I don't do that. Okay. So please don't allow anybody to deceive you or scam you. There's no way you send money to somebody to trade for you and then send back the same, like more than the money to you. That's crazy. That doesn't make sense. So it's a scam, guys. Please don't fall for that. Okay, so Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. In few days time we start a brand new year. What's your plan? What's your goals? What's your dream for next year? What are you planning? Do you still want to be looking at the looking for strategies, indicator strategies to put on your charts and catch spikes, or do you want to learn how to analyze the market, as a pro and make good profits? So you need to make this decision. It's very important to make this decision to know where you stand or what to do. This is, some people might think it's hard. Some people might think it's hard to analyze the market, but trust me, it's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. Once you know how to analyze the market, it's very simple. Like one of my students came to the house some days ago. He was so surprised the way I analyzed the entire charts, all the assets that I've been trading on, I've been working on. In less than 30 minutes, I was done, and I opened a trade. I was so relaxed. He was like, "How is that possible? You're not panicking, you're not disturbed, you're not worried at all." That's because this is something I've been doing over time. So I get to understand this is it. I know how much I'm risking. I know that even if it goes against me, it was just what I'm willing to do. Like it was just the amount I want to give to the market. So you need to analyze the market, know the future, know what's the market gonna do in the next 1 or 2 hours. Okay, so I know this video is getting long already. So yeah, this is how to use this strategy. The first thing you need to do is, if you can use this zoom level 2, this is the first one, and this is the second zoom level. If this zoom level is okay for you, then fine. But if it's this one you feel okay to use, it's okay. The main thing is that you'll be able to see what you're doing, right? You'll be able to see what you are doing. So that's it. So I would love to put it on zoom level 2, but we can still use zoom level 3. Then we use 1 minute time frame to catch spikes on boom and crash with this strategy. You centralize your screen, right? Just centralize your screen so that you'll be able to see everything you're doing perfectly well. All right, so Now, when catching spikes with any strategy, you need to know how much you're willing. Okay, if it does not spike, I'm giving $5 to the market. If it does not spike after $5, I'm closing out, or $10 I'm closing out, depending on your account size. So you need to be sure if it does not spike before that time, you close out, because you might be hoping it will spike and it will not spike. Right. So yeah, that's it. Now, this is what you do. Your job is for you to wait for market to get to the oversold or overbought level, depending on the asset you're trading, which of the boom or crash you're trading, right? If you're trading like the crash markets now, you can see markets approaching our bought level. So what we'll be doing is when market gets to that zone very well, we're going to sell the markets already. We're going to sell the markets and make money, right? So that's the idea. This crash 1000. So your work is for you to wait for market to get to this point here, the overbought zone, right? Then under here, indicator window one, you need to see you're supposed to have your, this is not big enough. You're supposed to have your, this level here, like what you have here. You're supposed to make sure that the volume here, the awesome oscillator volume to the downside is really much. Downside here is much. All right, downside there is much. The volume here should be much. Now, before going up to this point, now what is it trying to do? What this thing is trying to do is that it tells you that we are in a downtrend, because when you are in a downtrend, it's cool for you to sell crash. So having this awesome oscillator down here, right, big volume down here, tells you that we are in a downtrend. So whenever market goes up above this line, this black line here, to this other side here, all right, after having this volume below, right, markets below this level, then it crosses this middle line up to this point here, it's okay for it to sell when markets get to the overbought zone, like what we have here. You see the spike happened, right? But this one, what I'm saying here, I don't really trust this one, because this one is very small, very tiny. It's not big enough to show me that price was actually in a downtrend before going up to that point. Do you understand? So, but this one here, you can see this one was really big. You can see this one here was really big to the down. Then when it went up to this point and market touched the 80 zone, right? This level here, there was a spike. There was a massive spike, which is this one here. There was a massive spike, which is this one here, right? Then let's backtest. Guys. Let's backtest, guys. So you can see when when market was up here for a long time, for a very long time, this shows that this is an uptrend, or this volume oscillator going up to that point. This shows that this is an uptrend. All right, that's why the spikes were really tiny. These spikes, you don't make anything from this kind of spikes. You can see all these tiny spikes. You don't make nothing from this kind of spikes. So market was just doing tiny spike while it was still going up. That's because market did not come down before going up. That's why it was like that. But in a case like this, where we have markets below this point, market went up to this other side, and there was a spike, right? The same thing here. You have market below this level to show that, okay, we are in this downtrend. The market pushed up to this point, right? And there was a spike. Right? Every time, guys. Every time there was a spike. So if you check the bull market, it's still the same thing. So there's always a spike once market touches that zone. You can see this. And you have market touching the overbought zone. There was a spike. The same thing here. Market pushed to the overbought zone, and there was a spike. Do you understand? So every time you check, market comes from below, from down here, All right, from down here to this other side, it crosses that line, the black line, to this other side. Once market touches the over bot zone, it will spike every time, guys. Every time, guys. Every time, guys. Look at that. So this strategy is crazy. Trust me, I'm not joking, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Right, so that's how it is. You just need to take notes that you need to see market below this point, then it crosses this line. Market must cross this line up here. At the same time, you confirm the indicator window too to make sure that it has touched the overbought zone, maybe the 80 zone or the 90 zone, and there will be a spike. Okay, there will be a spike. So that's how to trade with this strategy. Right, so let me show you guys the settings for this strategy. Let me show you guys the settings for this strategy. Now we have two indicators. We have awesome oscillator and we have relative strength index. The first indicator you're bringing in will be the awesome oscillator. Okay, indicator window 1. You bring that in. The levels here, we have level 10, we have 90. The color, you can choose any color, right? That's just it. You can choose any color, the two. You can choose any color and you click on done. All right, that's the indicator here. This one here. Then you go back again. You click on the main window. When you click on the main window, you see relative strength index. You click on relative strength index. You bring it in, the indicator in. The period here is 15. Apply to typical price. Okay, we have levels here. We have 20, we have 80, we have 10 and 90. You click on done. The color is black. Click on done. Then down here where you have style, you can choose 3, this 1, 2, 3 pixel, and the color is black, so it will be shown on your chart. That's simple. That's simple. Very simple. So what you're doing now is just wait for market to do what I just explained. All right, then you catch your spikes. As simple as that. As simple as that. If you want to backtest the whole day, you still see the same thing. As simple as that. Very highly profitable, very profitable, guys. Very, very profitable. I love this strategy. I love this strategy. So the awesome oscillator tells you that market is in a downtrend, so it will easily spike. It will easily spike. It will easily spike. All right. So that's it, guys. Show some love by liking this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video with friends, drop some good comment, check the description of this video to join the free Telegram channel. Chat me up. My number is there, my WhatsApp or my Telegram address is there. Chat me up, guys. Let's make money. 2024, the new batch for 2024 starts second week of January. So enroll, guys, enroll, join the academy, join the big team. Let's make money. Let me show you how to trade, how to do your analysis and make good money from the market. All right, thank you. Bye bye.